I got this Philips antenna. This is an indoor antenna. These are rabbit ear antennas. So here's the antenna. It says to perform a channel scan. Take it out of the bag. Some plastic on it. Some cardboard to keep the antenna safe. And then on the back we have our poles. These move and extend, of course. So I'm going to extend these. Can move these in all directions, which is nice. It has a built-in coaxial cord, which isn't so great because these skinnier ones usually get interference. Let's plug it in and try it out. I have it above the TV with the circular loop back at it. It's coming in nice and clear. It's actually doing a really good job. Of course, not as good as an outdoor antenna, as you see it breaks up here. But I'm able to get CBS. I'm going to do the channel scan now. So it found 41 channels, which is pretty good. The outdoor antenna finds more, but it does all right. As you can see, I got NBC. Depending on where you point it, I lose channels, so I didn't get CBS. So the outdoor antenna would get both NBC and CBS. CW comes in. I lost most local channels except for, NBC. If you use an outdoor antenna, you get Fox, NBC, CBS, and ABC. So overall, it's okay. It's better to set up the outdoor antenna inside still. But for $10, this is okay. I just wish it used a regular coaxial cord that you could choose your own length.